Hey there, want to learn Python but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages out there. And today, I'll show you exactly how to get started. Let's dive in. First, head to python.org and download the latest version of Python. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during installation. This makes it easier to run Python from your command line or terminal. Next, you'll need a code editor. I recommend VS Code or PyCharm. Both are free, beginner-friendly, and have great features like syntax highlighting and debugging tools. Download one and install the Python extension to get started. Now let's write your first Python program. Open your editor, create a new file, and type Python print, hello world. Save the file with APPY extension like hello.py, and run it. If you see hello world printed, congratulations, you've just written your first Python program. Once you've got the basics down, start learning. Variables to store data, loops to repeat tasks, functions to organize your code. Platforms like FreeCodeCamp, Codecademy, and W3 Schools have great free tutorials to help you master these concepts. The best way to learn Python is by practicing. Start with small projects like a calculator or a to-do list. Then move on to more advanced projects like web scraping or building a simple game. Remember, coding is a skill. Practice makes perfect. And that's it. You're now ready to start your Python journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to build with Python. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.